this weekend's project was the catalytic converter on the RV. I decided to put a butt connector in so that I can disconnect it and take it off when I'm not planning on using it for a few months, because somebody decided they wanted it more than I did. When I went to check it out last month, I started it up and my goodness, it was loud. So I did flex pipe. I did a 6 or 7 liter universal, I think it's 7, universal cat. It's a 4-inch in, 4-inch out, so I had to use reducers front and back. So flex 3 to 4, 4-inch cat, 3 to 4 reducer, butt, an 11-inch extension or a 10-inch extension, and I sliced it there. They left me with like nothing good to work with, which was weird actually. When I cut this piece off, it split. So I don't know if it had always been split. Probably not. It probably less like that. It's probably just where it was rolled and tacked at the assembly. Anyway, so I have some extra parts, extra flex, and I got another set of 4-inch butts because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a butt connector here and then just take out the cat there when I'm not using it. Either way, so I think I'm just going to do this butt connector, take it off. I got a clamp there I can take off, and if I need to, a clamp down there. All in all, I think the cat was about 90. The tube and the piping was probably about another less than 100, so about 180. It's my awesome weld job there. All right, well, that's my update.